Hello, everyone. My name is Zulfiqar, and welcome to another episode of Income Investors. With me today is John Whitefoot with another exciting income pick. If you want to read more about what John writes on a regular basis, you can head to incomeinvestors.com. You can find the link to the website in the description below. We like business development companies, or BDCs for short, or what we like to call alternative banks here at Income Investors. They let everyday people to invest in private equity. These companies operate like traditional bank, but provide capital to small and mid-sized private businesses, companies that are too small for large financial institutions. Unlike private equity firms that want you to plunk down $1 million to invest in American businesses, you can take a similar position in alternative banks like Blue Owl Capital Corp, traded on New York Stock Exchange under symbol OBDC for just $15 per share. While the Federal Reserve is expected to cut interest rates 3 times in 2024 because of strong economic activity, future cuts may not be as aggressive as previously thought. Once again, cutting interest rates too quickly could reignite inflation, so a higher for longer rate environment is not out of the question at the moment. And all of this should help BDCs like OBDC continue to pay large quarterly dividends and special distributions. John?
Yeah, thanks, Mo. Yeah, Blue Owl Capital Corp is a specialty finance and business development company that provides direct lending to U.S. middle market companies. It invests in companies with market leadership positions and highly recurring, often contractual cash flows. Its current $12.7 billion portfolio and $165 billion assets under management includes 193 portfolio companies diversified across 29 industries. This includes everything from internet software and services to insurance, food and beverage, and asset-based lending and fund finance. Now, by total assets, Blue Owl is the third actually largest publicly traded BDC. Its portfolio consists of predominantly senior secured loans, which accounts for 82% of the asset mix. And the vast majority of its debt financing, 97%, is floating rate.
And I was reading it just reported record net investment income for the 4th consecutive quarter.
Yeah, this past February, Blue Owl reported excellent results for the fourth quarter ended December 31st, 2023. Fourth quarter net investment income, or NII, increased more than 17% year over year to $411 million, or 51 cents per share. And as you noted, this represents the 4th consecutive quarter of record NII growth. Net asset value per share increased to $15.45 in the fourth quarter from $15.40 in the third quarter. Now, for fiscal 2023, net investment income increased to $1.6 billion from $1.2 billion in 2022. And during the year, Blue Owl made new investment commitments of $2.155 billion across 32 new portfolio companies and 34 existing portfolio companies. For comparison's sake, this compares to $1.77 billion in 2022.
For income investors, Blue Owl increased its quarterly dividend and paid out a special dividend.
Yeah, thanks to record net investment income, Blue Owl was able to increase its quarterly dividend from 35 cents per share to 37 cents per share, or $1.67 per share on an annual basis, for a pre-frothy yield of 10.75%. Now, this follows a 2-cent increase from 35 cents per share in November 2023, and is actually the third dividend increase since the fourth quarter of 2022. Now, in addition to regular quarterly distributions, Blue Owl pays a quarterly supplemental or special dividend calculated at 50% of net investment income in excess of its regular dividend. Now, the supplemental or special dividend was first introduced in the third quarter of 2022. Now, again, because of record net investment income, Blue Owl's board declared a fourth quarter supplemental dividend of 8 cents per share. Total dividends for the fourth quarter were 43 cents per share. That's 35 cents as the base dividend and 8 cents as the special dividend. The total dividends of $1.59 per share in 2023 represented a 25% increase over 2022.
Finally, let's talk about OBDC stock here. It's currently trading at record levels.
Yeah, Blue Owl's dividend isn't the only thing flying right now. Its share price is too. On March 26th, OBDC stock hit a record intraday high of $15.55 per share. It actually hit a record close too of $15.53 per share. Currently, as of this recording, it's trading at around $15.25 per share. And that puts it up 37% over the last year and 4% year to date.
John, thank you so much for your insights. What's not to like about Blue Owl Capital Corp? It reported record net investment income for 4th consecutive quarter and its highest net asset per share since its inception. This enabled the company to raise its quarterly dividend and provide supplemental fourth quarter dividend. Even with Federal Reserve pausing interest rate hikes, Blue Owl was able to post record results. And in a higher for longer interest rate environment, Blue Owl should continue to perform well, provide growing dividend and special dividend. And even when interest rates do start to come down, they're expected to come down more slowly than anticipated and stay higher where they were before the health crisis of 2020. That's it for today. And make sure to go to incomeinvestors.com now to get our free special reports on 3 income stocks to own today. One of those stocks currently has a dividend yield of 12.7%. We'll be back with more income ideas soon, so stay tuned. In the meantime, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Goodbye for now.